I welcome you in today's session of physics, and today we are going to discuss your chapter number 8, which is called electricity. Fine, you can see here this is the chapter we have to study in today's lecture. So electricity is an important source of energy. You know very well, in today's time electricity is a very important source of energy. So due to the urbanization around the world, the usage of electricity has also increased. As you know very well, we are developing day by day. So the uses of electricity is also increased. Electricity is used in our homes, in industry and in transport. Clear? This is some areas where we use electricity in our homes, transport. For example, electricity is used in our homes for which purpose? Lighting, operating various appliances, electrical appliances, and for heating purpose. Fine. And in industries, electricity is used to run various types of machines. And in transport sector, electricity is being used for full electric trains. As you know very well, nowadays there is electric engine, fine, which are running over electricity. So in transport sector, electricity is used to pull electric trains and to run vehicles. Fine. So in order to understand electricity, we should first know something about the electric charge. So before study about the electricity, we have to know what is electric charge. So basically there are two types of charges. The first one is the positive charge and the other is your negative charge. So electricity is a form of energy. We can see electric power in different form around us. It can be seen as flashes of light coming towards the earth, in the form of lightning, as flashes of light during a thunderstorm, coming toward the earth in the form of which? Thunderstorm. Clear? During the lightning or rainy season, you see a lightning in the sky and thunderstorm. We also see a small spark fly across our quilt blanket due to static electricity in winter. Clear? There is electric current around magnetic object also. So all are different forms of electricity. So these are the different form of electricity. Now an atom has negatively charged particles called electron. You know very well, an atom consists of proton, a neutron and electron, where proton is positive charge, electron is negatively charged and neutron is neutral in nature. So the outermost electron of the atom are regarded as free electron. And one thing you have also noticed that electrons revolve around the nucleus of the atom in their orbits. Clear? So the outermost electron which are revolving in the outermost shell of the nucleus is called free electrons. Fine. So these electrons, when imparted a little energy, which electrons? Your free electrons. If you give them energy, what happen? By an external source such as battery, they start to move in a defined direction and generate electric current in a material. So thus movement of charged particle forms electric current. Clear? Or you can say that the free electrons are responsible for the movement of or generation of electric current. Fine. Now you can see here we are classify electricity into two different categories. The first one is your current electricity and the other one is your static electricity. Here you can see these are the two types of electricity. First one is your current electricity and the second one is your static electricity. Current electricity means the electricity which is in motion, in which the electrons are moving. And here you can see static electricity means a charge which consume or which contains some charge electric current over it. Now we will move to household composition of electric current. Here you can see this is our topic number 2. The electricity that run through the wires of our houses is supplied to us by electric power station. You need know it very well that the electricity coming to our houses is coming from which? They are coming from the electric power station, because there are multiple power stations are developed in our cities. The electricity that run in the home carries 220 volt. If somebody asks you how much the voltage coming in your house, so you have to told them that 220 volts, and is a source of alternating current. There are two types of current also. One is your DC and one is your AC, where DC stands for direct current which is coming from the battery and AC stands for alternating current. Fine. So in our houses there is an alternating current. So that is the thing written here. So it is important for us to reduce the use of electricity in our houses because it cost. Fine, because you know very well nowadays the cost of the electricity is very high. So we have to use as very low consumption of electricity. Wasting electricity would be equivalent to wasting money. As much as you use electricity, as much as you have to pay the electric bill also. We can compare the cost of running different appliances by checking their power consumptions. Means how much power an appliances is consuming. You have to know very well. So which is the measure of how much power they use in watts, and power is measured in which quantity? Watt. So nowadays power rating in watts are shown on many common household appliances. You can say if you purchase a new fridge or washing machine, then there is a stick over the refrigerator or washing machine which represents the rating of the appliances. Sometimes it represents the 5-star rating, some appliances represent the 3-star, sometimes 2-star. So that is the thing written here. So on the scale of 1 to 5, the one having 5-star ratings, fine, is the most efficient power and use minimum electricity. Clear? So if the appliances is rated as 5-star, it means that the consumption by that appliances is very low, and if the appliances is rated as 1-star, so it means that the consumption by that appliances is very high. Fine. So that is the thing you have to understand. Using appliances with high rating will help reduce consumption. So if you use an appliances with higher star rating, it means that the consumption of your electricity is very low. I hope it is clear. Now we will come to the flow of electric current. Clear? Here you can see we are going to discuss now flow of electric current. So now what is flow of current? For electric current to flow, we need two things. What are the two things? First one is the closed circuit, which provides a path for the current to flow. Now what is the closed circuit? A closed circuit in which is totally complete. Suppose this is I am designing for you. This is a battery, positive and negative terminals, fine, and from this battery we connect a key over here. As you can see here, this is the key. I am writing the name here also. This is your K times key. Clear? So as you can see here, the key is now open and the circuit is not completed. Clear? So when the current is withdrawn from this battery in this direction I, so this current flows through the circuit, but as you see here, the key is open. So the circuit or the path is not completed and the current not getting the proper path to flow across the circuit. So this is the open circuit. Clear? So this is the first point. It says that the closed circuit which provides the path for the current to flow. So in this this I draw here, the flow of current is not possible because the key is in the open state. As soon I press the key, so like this I pressing the key in this position. Now if the key is pressed and the circuit is completed, and now the current get its proper path to flow. So this is called your closed circuit. Fine. So this there are two types of circuit, one is open and one is your closed circuit. I hope it is clear. Now you can see here a source of electricity, that is battery in case of direct current and main wires in case of alternating current to push forward the charges. Fine. Electric current is actually the flow of electric charge in a circuit. So how you define electric current? The rate of flow of charge in a circuit is known as electric current and it is denoted by a small I. The electric current flow from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery. You have to understand from where the current start flowing, from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery. The difference in the potential of the two ends of the battery pushes the charge and make it flow in the circuit. Clear? The current in the wires around a circuit is carried by negatively charged electrons. Fine. As I told you, the free electrons are responsible for the movement of flow of current. The electrons are free to move within atom and hence they help in electric conduction. Clear? Those free electrons are free to move within the atom. They are responsible for the electric conduction. Conduction means acquiring the charge or electricity or current. The direction of the flow of electron is opposite to the flow of electric current, means in which direction the current is flowing, the direction of flow of electron is in opposite direction. I hope it is clear for you. Now we will come to the domestic wiring system. You can see here we are now going to discuss domestic wiring system. The electricity that we use in homes is generated by where? From power stations, and is supplied through the transmission line, and it's coming from which? Through the transmission lines. The electricity that enter our homes first passes through an electric meter. You know very well, in your houses there are electric meter. In an electric meter the main line is connected, which measure what is the work of electric meter? It measures the amount of electricity consumed by us and then to the main fuse box. Now you can see here all our household appliances are connected to switch also, which is our main power switch. The electricity supply at homes is provided 3 electric wires. The wire which is coming to through the main contains 3 electric wires. First one is your live wire, the second one is your neutral wire, and the third one is your earth wire. These 3 wires are color coded. Fine. Now out of these 3, only 2 of them are used when the appliances is used. Fine. That is the brown wire called the live wire and the blue wire which is called the neutral wire. The live wire carries the current into the appliances. It is the work of live wire and a high voltage. The neutral wire completes the circuit and carries the current away from the appliances. Clear? The third wire, which is your neutral or you can say that neutral wire, complete the circuit and carries the current away from the appliances. The third wire, that is green or yellow in color, is called the earth wire. Fine. As I told you, there are the 3 wires. First is live wire, second one is your neutral, and the third is the earth wire. It is a safety wire which connects the appliances to the earth. This prevents the electric shocks to the users. Fine. If there is an excess current coming to the houses, then this earth wire prevents the excess current. The metallic body of the appliances is connected to the earth wire. You have to know where that wire is connected. The metallic wire is connected to the earth wire. The other ends of the electric appliances is grounded. You can see here, this is the figure given, color coding of wire. And in this figure you can see there is a live wire, earth wire, outer insulation, grip, and neutral wire given here. Clear? Figure number 8.1. Now we will talk about connections of the appliances in our houses. How will you connect your appliances? So there are the 2 types of connection. The first one is your series connection and the other one is your parallel connection. So first we discuss about what happened with the series connection. So in a series connection, all the appliances are joined in a line. Clear? All the connections are joined in line. The total voltage of, as I told you, the total voltage come in our houses is how much? 220 volts. Gets divided among all the appliances. So this reduces their working power. Further, if any of the device is faulty and stop working, it will start behaving like an open circuit. Means what is the demerits of the series combination is that all the devices, if any of the devices stop working, then the rest of the devices of your house is also stop working, because the whole circuit of your house or wiring is act as an open circuit. Fine. So this type of circuit is not useful in our country, as all the devices are designed to work on with how much? 220 volt. Therefore, in domestic circuit, devices are never put in series. So we do not use series combination in our houses. Then what we use? We use parallel combination. So we will now discuss about parallel combination here. This you can see here, the second one is your parallel combination. This one. So what happened in the parallel combination? In parallel connection, all the devices are connected across the main supply. Here you can see, thus the main voltage is individually available for all the devices. In parallel combination, every devices gets its individual voltage, or how much voltage is needed by the device. Then Therefore, each devices will work properly. Further, if any one of the devices is not functioning, this will have no effect on the functioning of the rest of the devices. So, this is the main advantage of parallel combination, that if one of devices is not working properly, then you can operate other devices, but which is not possible in series combination. Fine, I hope it is clear today. So, for the today's lecture, we are stopping or ending our lecture. We will discuss the mains in our lecture number 2. Fine, till that do study. Thank you class. Thank you.